I like it when I drink a very creamy and thick tiger nut juice. And I'll be wondering what makes my own tiger nut juice not as creamy as the one I get outside or the one I drink in my friend's house. So today I'll be showing you what I discovered that makes tiger nuts so creamy and so thick. Bring your chair closer. If you're on the same table with me, let me show you the trick, okay? We'll be needing some tiger nuts, dates, cinnamon. Today I added cloves, which is very perfect for your health, and of course clove is a very healthy spice that can be used for any kind of food or any kind of drink you want to make. So I added cloves, cinnamon, honey, and even condensed milk with a very clean water. So let's proceed, guys. Let me show you through on how I made this yummy juice. So I started by soaking my tiger nut for 2 to 3 hours. I soaked the date for at least 2 hours in order to soften and for easy blend. I went ahead to dice my coconuts. I cut them into smaller chunks to enable me blend easily. You know, when you dice your coconuts in smaller shapes, it's easier for your blender, so it won't overwork. I also diced my ginger in smaller chunks. That is also for the same reason. I then proceeded to blending it. I blended till they are smoothly blended, adding some water when needed. Okay, make sure to add enough water so you don't overwork your blender. Putting only tiger nut and coconut into the blender without water is very risky. So when you are sure it's smoothly blended to a very fine consistency, as you can see in this video, I'll go ahead to strain. And when you strain, you can strain using your cheese bag or this kind of sieve or whatever you have, but it's preferred. Since I found out that using the cheese bag method is better, guys, I'll be using the cheese bag to strain. And if you don't strain it well, you will be losing part of your coconut and tiger nut milk. Okay, so I cleaned my blender and went ahead to blend this order: my dates, my banana, my cinnamon, and I used cinnamon powder. Please, when making this tiger nut juice, please do well not to use the cinnamon bark itself. I already blended cinnamon powder, which I have in my house already, and I have a video of how you can make your own cinnamon powder and keep at home. So I took a pinch of the cinnamon powder and blended it with this, which are also, let me repeat so you understand me: cinnamon, dates, banana, and cloves. Because this I will not strain. That's the secret, guys. Before now, I do strain my dates when I'm done blending it, but since I found out that if you add your dates directly to your tiger nut juice, you know, date has kind of flesh that if you add it to this tiger nut juice that is very watery, it gets so thick. So I first of all add it to the already made tiger nut milk and coconut milk set aside and stir properly and also try to check if by any means any of the dates or cinnamon or even the cloves was not well blended. That is the reason why I keep using my spoon to stir. These are the chaff of which was very dry after I had strained it using the cheese bag and the sieve method. So make sure there are no form of date or maybe particles, bulk particles, chunk particles in the mixture. Guys, this came out very creamy and so yummy. I went ahead to add some condensed milk. Did I say what? Condensed milk. My dear, if you add condensed milk to your tiger nut juice, it will serve as an aphrodisiac, it will serve as a juice, depending on what you have in mind. Adults only. So guys, when I added this condensed milk, this came out so yummy. Next time when you try this method, try to add condensed milk and also honey. Please, have you tried it before? Tell me if you'll be trying this method in your comment section. I will appreciate that, okay? And if you're still watching to this moment, don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and give my video a thumbs up, okay? I will appreciate if you also subscribe, and don't forget to share so your friends will get to know the secrets of not sieving the date before adding it up to the tiger nut milk. Okay, I appreciate you guys. So this thing is better served chilled, and if you don't have, maybe you don't want to take too much time, or you want to produce and consume immediately, you can add some ice. What I did was I added some ice after I had blended and sieved. I took it back to the blender, added some ice, and it made this so chilled. I now served it immediately. Or you can also drink your own like that. But please, if you're diabetic, this drink is for you. It's good for you. It's healthy. But please don't add condensed milk, because condensed milk already has so much sugar, so much sweetener in it, which is not healthy for a diabetic patient. Okay, so just you can add your banana, just a little bit of the banana to sweeten it, and then your natural honey. You are good to go. You will get the same taste, you get the same effect. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I love you and I appreciate you. Let's continue. So as a very bad housewife, as a rugged girl, I went ahead to add some kind of alcoholic drink in it, and then served with the tiger nut. You want to know what happened after? See you in my next video. As a good Samaritan, I want to tell you what happened after. No, I cannot tell you. So please, I will show you in my next video what happened after I took this drink with this pint of alcoholic drink. Okay, if you're not up to 18 years, don't add this. If you're not up to 18 years, please do not add alcoholic drink to your tiger nut, because it has a very special and sweet effect to both the body, to the head, and the system, if you understand. So for 18 years and above, you can try this and thank me later. If you're a married woman, do this for your dogu, do this for yourself. You have more children by the grace of God. Thank you for watching. Bye.